Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your smart television to your phone. The most straightforward and universally compatible method involves using your phone's built-in screen mirroring or casting feature. This allows you to wirelessly display your phone's entire screen, including videos, photos, and apps, directly onto your television. It's a seamless way to share content with others or enjoy your mobile media on a much larger display, enhancing your viewing experience significantly. Before you begin, ensure both your smartphone and smart television are powered on and connected to the exact same Wi-Fi network. This shared network is crucial for the devices to communicate with each other. Next, navigate to your smart television settings and confirm that its screen mirroring, casting, or wireless display feature is enabled. Finally, a quick check to ensure your phone's operating system is updated will help prevent any compatibility issues during the connection process. Now, on your phone, swipe down from the top of the screen to access your quick settings panel. Look for an icon labeled Cast, Screen Mirroring, Smart View, or Wireless Display. Tap on this icon, and your phone will begin searching for nearby compatible devices. A list should appear, and you will simply select your smart television from this list. Your television might then prompt you to confirm the connection, which usually takes just a few seconds. Once the connection is established, your phone screen will instantly appear on your smart television. You can now navigate your phone as usual, and everything you do will be mirrored onto the larger display. This is perfect for watching videos, browsing photo albums, or even giving presentations. When you are finished, simply return to your phone's quick settings, tap the casting icon again, and select Disconnect to end the mirroring session. It's that simple.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.